Hello everybody, my name is Brenda. Welcome back to another Smart Art What's in the Box. Today I'll be going over the contents of the August Smart Art box. Now this month we're taking it back to basics with a graphite sketching project. However, there's a twist. So join me for a special What's in the Box inked edition. Okay, let's open this up and see what's in the box. First up, we have a brochure, as always. Beautiful sketch we have on here. Now, this is going to give you a lot of information about the materials in your box. You have a project tool list and project pointers. This is going to give you tips and tricks on how to use everything. And on the back, of course, we have our 6-step project, so you can follow along and do a completed project all on your own. Now, let's see what's inside. I'm actually going to reveal this one by one because I don't want you to see what our surprise twist is for the month. So first up, we have the FABER-CASTELL PITT Graphite Master Set. Now this is a really great starter set. It gives you a good understanding of different dry media for sketching. So you have a jumbo 900 6B graphite pencil. You also have the regular size 6B 900 graphite pencil, and aquarelle pencil, which means you'll get to put this, use this with water and do really cool water mixable effects. Then you have a pure graphite pencil, the graphite crayon, and then a couple of tools. We have the erasers. This is dust-free eraser, and this is a sharpener, and this will be good for both the jumbo and the regular size pencil. So really great master set to start with any sketching project. Next up, we need our surface. So we have a sketchbook. This is a 4x6 inch sketchbook. The sheets are perforated, so it's easy to tear them off, which will be perfect for this month's project. Next up, we have blending stumps. Now, these are an essential tool working with graphite. Get to blend your piece and smooth out your drawing. So we got 2 different stumps here, and we also have a FINELINER set by GRAPHIX. Now this includes different colors. We have the black, green, blue, and red. So you get to use the black to outline some details, but it's really great to add a little pop of color, something interesting and different to your black and white sketching piece. So we have this SKYLINE GRAPHIX FINELINER set by Marabou. And now for the grand twist in our box, we have the Jaquard Jagua temporary tattoo kit. Now guys, this stuff is super cool. It's kind of like henna. It uses the Jagua fruit, so it's going to be a bluish black tattoo. And now this takes about 24 to 48 hours to fully darken, and it'll last about 2 weeks. So we got a lot of good stuff in this kit. So you're going to take your sketch that you do on your sketchbook that's in your box. Then we have transfer sheets. Now this is going to get your design onto your skin. And of course, it comes with their own instructions from the manufacturer. Really, really good to look at. So we have the transfer paper. Then we have a couple of things in the little baggie here. We have a mixing stick, which will help us mix our Jagua powder. Now, this is the transfer cream. So this is going to work for several applications. So tear this open and then use a little bit at a time, and you can save this and use this multiple times. I mean, I think I got at least 6 different tattoos, and I still had product left over. So little goes a long way with this stuff. And a couple more components. One is a eucalyptus oil. Now this is going to be mixed in with the Jagua powder. And then we have a fine tip. So this is going to be attached to the applicator to do really fine detail. And I'll show you the actual Jagua powder right here. So it's got the nozzle. Once we mix everything, you'll be attaching this onto here, and then you'll be able to do some fine detail. So, and this is very simple. All we're going to do is mix it with water to the water line, add our eucalyptus oil, give it a good stir to make sure that everything from the bottom is incorporated, and then give it a good shake. And we're going to wait about 5 to 10 minutes for it to fully incorporate and set, and then we get painting. So why don't we jump right in and get some tattoos made. love the opportunity to take basic foundation artist skills and turn it into a more exciting project, like using the Jagua powder for our temporary tattoos this month. Now, I can't wait to see what you're creating. Don't forget to look for your weekly prompts in the brochure. Complete all 4 prompts before the end of the month. Post them using the hashtag SmartArtWeekly and SmartArtProject to earn 50 Peacock points. Well, I'll see you again next month for another Smart Art What's in the Box. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the notification bell for more updates on tips and more unboxings. Thanks again, guys. Until next time.